In the equation above, A, B, C, and D are constants. Okay. Technically, they're coefficients and a constant, but who's counting? If the equation has roots of -1, -3, and 5, which of the following is a factor of that? Well, if it has roots, that means whatever equation this is, right? Whatever the equation looks like, and I'm not going to draw a picture out. I don't want to, but I'm going to put -3, -1, and 5 here. My equation is going to hit -3, -1, and 5, which means it has factors of x plus 3, think zero product property, x plus 3, x plus 1, and x minus 5, which gives me my answer right there. I'm not sure what all this is about. I'm not sure why any of this was necessary. Maybe it just wanted to give me like a standard form. I don't know. But it could have said if you have a trinomial or a cubic with roots of -1, -3, and 5, I could have gone right to my answer right there, which is that. So kind of weird. Didn't like it. Wasn't hard though. Just I didn't like it.